and welcome to my channel. My name is Misty and today's video is going to be my homeschool fall bucket list, I guess is what we'll say. So I'll just be sharing with you the ideas we have of things to do during this season. And before we get into that, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button down below. That way you can stay up to date with all the future videos going on my channel regarding homeschool. And the like button lets me know that this is the type of video that you enjoy, so I know what to make for you in the future. So let's go ahead and talk about things that we plan to do this fall. Now, first and foremost, I'm a huge believer that homeschooling doesn't have to happen just within your own four walls. So I guess my approach and style to homeschool would be the eclectic kind. I've had people call me unschooling, but I don't know if I necessarily fit under that. But anyways, that's kind of how I do things. So for us, it's very normal to find the education in other activities outside of curriculum. So first and foremost, the first thing I want to talk about is we are planning a fall family day. Due to everything going on and all of the isolating, I have not hung out with my own family since in the group, since February. And it's now obviously mid-September and I haven't hung out with them. I've seen them a few times, but I haven't actually had like a family get together in such a long time due to all the craziness and all the germs, and you know, I don't have to explain, you guys already know. So I'm really looking forward to this day of us getting together with our family finally. So as a family, we are going to go to the pumpkin patch and pick pumpkins, which is always fun. It's something we like to do every year. And then we will be going back to a family member's house and we will be having fall foods and fall crafts. We'll be carving the pumpkins and just doing everything fall fun that you can do with family. So that's probably the biggest thing I'm looking forward to because I miss family so much. But with the holidays coming up, I'm trying to make exceptions to do some family activities. Another huge thing we love to do, we didn't get to do it last year, but we did the year before, and it's a ton of fun, something we want to do every single year, and that is apple picking. We have a beautiful farm not too far from our house, and they allow you to pay X amount of dollars for however many apples that you pick, but it's a really great experience. We thoroughly enjoy going through and we take our time. We don't pick everything right away. We walk through the rows of the trees and we just have a good time and we look for the best apples that we can find. Another huge thing is just cooking fall foods together. So we all know, like, when you get into the colder season, food is a lot more of a thing, I feel like. Because in the summer it's kind of like fresh produce and just, you know, feel good foods that keep you cool and don't feel heavy. But then in the winter and in the fall, we love soups and breads and all these different things. And so I'm looking forward to making recipes with them. They already help me regularly with recipes, but there's just something special about fall and recipes. And I'm actually, if you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments below. I'm looking for a really good fall vegan cookbook that is easy to do with kids, nothing too intricate. So please let me know if you have any ideas that I could use. But yes, we will be making soups. We like making tofu noodle soup a lot. That is something we really enjoy. I'm not vegan, by the way. I'm technically vegetarian. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to the chilies and the soups, the homemade breads. We're going to try doing applesauce. That will be new for us, as well as making homemade apple cider if I can. I want to attempt that. We'll see how that goes. Everything pumpkin. We love to make everything pumpkin. I have a homemade pumpkin pie that is an amazing recipe that is really a staple for us every single year. I don't go a year without making it. So yes, I'm really looking forward to that. Another thing that kind of goes along with that, because you can make food over a fire, I'm looking forward to doing bonfires in the backyard, you know, setting out some wood, burning it, making s'mores, making other things we can think of around a little fire, and maybe reading books around it, cozying up in nice warm clothes and blankets. Those are definitely things that I want to do this fall. And another huge thing is the fall crafts and activities. I just feel like there's so much free things to do because you go outside and the leaves are everywhere. You can pick them up and do, you know, create crafts with them and art with them. There's just so many things at your disposal during the fall. I feel like fall and spring is when we are all more inclined, I feel like, to use nature for crafts. So I'm looking forward to that. I already have some really great ideas in mind, and we've already started going on nature walks and getting supplies to start them. So here soon I'll be adding some fall curriculum into our day, and the crafts will come right along with that. And it's open window season. Technically our open window season started like yesterday. So we've had the windows open, the air is off, and it's that beautiful, nice breezy weather that comes in through the windows. And it's just the perfect time to snuggle up on the couch and do things like read books together under the covers and to watch movies together, right? There's fall movies we could watch together, but I'm really looking forward to just cuddling up and reading books and hanging out on our couch. I am also looking for fall book recommendations, so feel free to leave those in the comments for me as well. And I'm going to start buying more fall books this week so that we can add it in once we start our fall curriculum. So yes, give me any ideas you might have for really great fall books. So far I've only bought the Leaf Man, and it's a really adorable book that has a lot of great crafting ideas to go along with it. So yes, give me more ideas please. And you can't make it through a single fall without creating a leaf pile, you know, raking up the leaves and having some leaf fun, jumping in. I'm looking forward to doing that with my girls. We have a neighborhood full of maple trees, so there are plenty of leaves, and we can definitely take the time to create those piles and jump in them and just have some fun. And it's just so nostalgic to think about like bringing that part of your childhood into your kids' lives. So I'm really looking forward to just creating memories like that with the girls. Another big thing for us is scavenger hunts. I'm planning on doing two types of scavenger hunts, which is the scavenger hunt where we look for signs of fall coming, which we already started doing yesterday on our nature walk. And then also the other one is to, once fall is in full effect, to find things that you would only find exactly during that season. So that creates two opportunities, obviously one leading into fall and the other one during fall. So scavenger hunts can be a really fun way to keep the education going, but still having fun outdoors and feeling like it's play, because technically it is. And the very last thing, which I thought was a really cool idea I found, is to go on a canopy walk where you're up in the trees, like on the ropes and the bridges and all of that. There is a family-friendly one that even could be good for Savannah, though if it's not, then I would find someone to watch Savannah while we take Viviana to do it. But how fun will it be to literally be up at the height of the trees and in that canopy looking around at all the fall colors and the fall leaves and the fall atmosphere, and having like a bird's eye view almost. I feel like that's just going to create so much excitement about fall and plenty of learning opportunity. So yes, looking forward to trying to find a canopy tour. Like I said, I did find a place. I just have to make sure it's as kid-friendly as it's seeming. But yes, I'm looking forward to that. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. These are all our fall ideas, but I hope it gives you ideas as well. Some of them are obviously things everybody does, and then some of them are a little bit more unique. But I just thought it would be nice to share a video with a little more personal things going on in our life with you guys. And I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know that this is content you like. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button for all the future homeschooling content on my channel. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have fun exploring and creating ideas for fall. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have fun homeschooling. Bye. Weird hand motions again.